Alright, we want to talk about simplification of algebraic fractions. Now, what are algebraic fractions? Algebraic fractions are fractions that contains at least one variable in them. Last time we talked about variables, constants, and coefficients, and I hope you know what variable is. So, in this equation, in this algebraic fraction, we have 10 all over 2x plus 4 over 3. How do we do that? We do that by doing what? By finding the LCM of the two fractions. Now let's find the LCM of the two fractions. We have number 1, we have 10 all over 2x plus 4 all over 3. Now, what is the LCM? You know how to find LCM just like the normal LCM we find in fractions. So we have the LCM of 2x plus 3 is 6x. Now, we have to simplify just like we simplify normal fractions. So we have 2x divides 6x, we have 3. 3 multiplied by 10, we have 30. Now, let's go by 3 dividing 6x. That is 6x divided by 3 by 2x. We cancel this. This divided by x cancel itself, and this divided by this, we have what? We have 3. That is why we have 3 multiplied by 10. We have 30. Then we go to 3. 3 divides 6x. And when 6x is divided by 3, we have what? We definitely have 2x. Then 2x multiplied by 4, we have plus 2x multiplied by 4, we have 8x. So this is our final answer. Then we go to number 2. This becomes our final answer because if you simplify further, you can, if you bring out the common terms inside this, you can go back to fractions. So this becomes our final answer. So go back to number 2, 15s all over 5. 15s all over 5 minus 6 all over 4x. Then we do the same thing. Doing the same thing, the LCM is 20x. Then 5 divided 20x, we have 4x. 4x multiplied by 15x. Then 4x divided by 20x, we have 5. 5 multiplied by minus 6. That is minus 5 into 6. So what do we have here now? We have to simplify the numerator. Simplifying the numerator, what we have 4x multiplied by 15x, we have 60x raised to power 2. Then minus 5 times 6, we have minus 30 all over 20x. This becomes our answer. Then we go back to number 3. Our number 3, we say it is 6 over x minus 1 all over x plus 5. Then in this one, what do we have to do here now? We have two things here, this and this. You know how to find LCM. When you find the LCM of these two, you're just using this to multiply this together, merging the two brackets together. So our LCM will be equals to x bracket x minus 1, then bracket x plus 5. So this is our LCM. Such that this divide this, we have this, and this divide this, then you simplify further. Then doing that, now we have this divided by this, we are going to have x plus 5. And x plus 5 now multiplied by 6. Then you have 6 into x plus 5. 6 into x plus 5. Then this, dividing the whole of this, we are going to get x minus 5, x minus 1. Then x minus 1 multiplied by 1. We have minus 1 into x minus 1. Then you simplify further. Then simplifying further, we have to concentrate the numerator. Then concentrating on the numerator, we open the bracket. Opening the bracket. Of the numerator. Opening the bracket of the numerator, we have 6 multiplied by x, we have 6x. Then 6 multiplied by 5, we have plus 30. Then minus 1 multiplied by x, we have minus x. And minus 1 multiplied by 1, we have plus 1 all over our denominator, which is bracket x minus 1 and bracket x plus 5. Now, we have to simplify further by collect like terms. Collecting like terms, we have 6x and minus x and plus 30 and plus 1 all over x bracket x minus 1 and x plus 5. Then we simplify. Then we have 6x minus x, we have 5x, and plus 30 plus 1, we have plus 31 over bracket x minus 1 bracket x plus 5 bracket. This is our final answer. Please, God bless you. If you find this so interesting, please hit the like button, comment, share, and remain blessed.